Hey everyone, welcome back to Do More Review. Today, we've got something super exciting for you, the Air Jordan for Retro Thunder representative sneakers. For the first time in over a decade, this fan-favorite colorway is back, and we're here to show you all the details. Stick around because I'll also share how you can grab these at an unbeatable price from representativesneaker.net. The website link is in the description below. Let's dive right into the unboxing. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, just what you'd expect for a pair of kicks as iconic as the Thunder 4s. Check this out, the bold black box with the signature Jumpman logo is already making a statement. As we open the box, here they are, the Air Jordan for Retro Thunder. Look at that premium black nubuck upper with those vibrant tour yellow accents on the midsole, lace eyelets, and tongue. It's an absolute masterpiece. Taking a closer look, you can see how meticulously these representatives are crafted. The stitching is on point, the material feels premium, and Michael Jordan's iconic Jumpman logo is perfectly placed on the heel tab, tongue, and insoles. These sneakers are built to impress. Not only do these sneakers look great, but they're also designed for comfort. The cushioned midsole and padded tongue make them ideal for everyday wear, whether you're hitting the streets or shooting hoops. Now, let's talk about where you can get these, representativesneaker.net. They're a global online fashion retail company specializing in high-quality replicas at factory-direct prices. Whether you're a sneaker enthusiast or looking for trendy fashion products, this website has it all. What makes representativesneaker.net stand out is their unbeatable prices, fast shipping, and excellent customer service. They source the latest styles and ensure every product meets high standards. Plus, they ship worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can get your hands on these amazing sneakers. Here's the best part, representativesneaker.net is hosting a first 24-hour cheapest flash sale, where you can grab these Jordan 4s for just $59. Yes, you heard that right, only $59. And that's not all, they're also running an exciting giveaway where you can win shoes, hoodies, cash, or discount coupons. To join the giveaway, follow their Instagram and TikTok accounts, post their giveaway poster with the hashtag #ResNo, and join their Discord server. Complete all steps by December 3rd, and don't forget to keep screenshots as proof. Winners will be announced on their accounts and Discord. Deals like this don't come often. With the Thunder 4s being a part of Jordan Brand's Spring/Summer 2023 campaign, their return has been long awaited. Don't miss this chance to add these iconic kicks to your collection at the lowest price of the year. In my opinion, the Air Jordan for Retro Thunder is a perfect mix of style, quality, and nostalgia. Whether you're a die-hard Jordan fan or just starting your sneaker journey, these kicks are a must-have. If you're as excited about these sneakers as I am, head over to representativesneaker.net now. Don't forget, the link to the website is in the description below. While you're there, check out their other collections and take advantage of the ongoing flash sale. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about these sneakers. Are you planning to grab a pair? And what's your favorite Air Jordan colorway? I'd love to hear from you. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Do More Review, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our unboxing and review videos. Follow us on social media for more updates. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out representativesneaker.net for these amazing Thunder 4s and more. Until next time, stay stylish and keep collecting. Peace.